Go ahead, Debbie.
Hi, we are at the CHAP convention in Pennsylvania. Love this convention. And today Karen walked up to me and this is what she said.
We came last year to CHAP, and I've been a stalker of Cat and Dog Theology for a few years now. And last year my husband and I came and we bought the curriculum, and my husband now tells people, after you know Jesus, you need to start reading Cat and Dog Theology, especially in our current culture where people are watering down the Bible and selectively choosing what God is all about. This is just solid teaching that you can share with kids. Our youngest is 6, and he now can talk about this intelligently. So it's great stuff. Buy it, use it, read it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.